Hey crafty friends! Happy Friday! I'm Carla from Carla Arlene Creations, and today we are going to put together some Halloween latte cards. They're called Too Cute to Spook lattes. They're gift card holders for Halloween, and I wanted to have them as part of my Summerween series that I am doing this month. So I will be showing you how to put those together. Okay, as you can see, I have already cut these out. Let me see here. So we're going to start with, I guess the green monster guy, since he's up first. And we're going to fold these on the lines. And then we're going to put some double-sided tape on these. You can glue them. I'm going to just use some double-sided tape. I believe there are there's 6 different designs in this set, and I thought these would be cute for Halloween if you want to give out gift cards instead of candy. Somebody's having a birthday around Halloween, these would be cute. I say that because my hubby's birthday is around Halloween, so I'm just going to take this and I am going to line it up at the bottom and then carefully line it up on each side. There you go. And I kind of created a pocket. So I'm just going to set that aside for a moment. And actually, this drink gets the spider straw. So we're going to put some double-sided tape on our whipped topping. And I'm just going to peel this off. Then I'm going to take, let's see here. It really doesn't matter which ones of these you use for which one. I'm just going to use this one. I just give you enough for each gift card holder. So we're going to put that on there, and then we're going to turn this over and put some glue on the back. I'm going to use my glue stick. And I'm just going to go over the top of the whipped cream so that I can, whoops, put this on and line it up. Yep, I did pretty good. Then I'm going to take the glue and I'm going to put it on down and add this. And in this piece, you could actually write them a note, whatever you want, and then add your gift card and just stick it in like that. And then we're going to put on our little pocket fronts, and they all have the same pocket fronts and backs, so it really doesn't matter which one you use for which one. And we're just going to glue this and put it down here. Turn it over. And put some glue on this one. And there we go. And then once this dries, let's see here. Maybe this side has dried. This goes down in because that one matches. And then, oh, since this is the green one. Oh, let's give him the pink. I'll give him the pink little monster. And I'm using the 8th hole punch for these guys because these are little tiny cards. So just put it in here. Do a hole punch. See, got a little hole punch. And then I have this twine that I got from Michael's. It was probably on clearance last year or the year before. And I'm going to use this. And I'm just going to put this through the little hole. And then tie this off. So there's that one. And we have one more to put together. So I'll go ahead and do that. Just going to fold these edges. Then put some double-sided tape on. Okay, we're going to put some more double-sided tape on this. Let's see. And then we're going to peel these back. And we're going to add this on to the bottom by lining it up. And then we're going to just line up the sides on both sides like that. Then we're going to get some more double-sided tape. And we're going to put this on. Try to center it. And I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to put glue on the back. And I'm going to add this piece on. And there you go. Add that in. Now we can glue our little pockets on. And I'm just going to carefully put that little cup in there, and then I'm going to hole punch my tag. And voila, there's our tag. And you can actually go over the edging. I have a little bit of white showing through, so I may take some ink and go over these and just, in fact, I'll grab that right now just to get rid of the white. Let's see. That's kind of an orange. Let's see what I have in here. There we go. So I'm just going to take this orange and I'm just going to kind of go over the edging. Like I said, just to cover up the white. I think that's the only these are kind of like oranges. This is kind of an orangish color too. So you can do that for each one, but I'm going to show you each one of the different ones so you can see what's in there. This is the orange monster, and he has these little cute tags. This is the mummy. So he has those cute tags. And then this was the green monster. And this one's a ghost. And then this one is, oh, this is Frankenstein. So we got a little Frankenstein monster tag. Thought that was cute. And then this is a different little purple monster. So that is the different latte gift card holders for the Too Cute to Spook Latte collection. You will find a download link below in the description. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to assemble the Too Cute to Spook Latte gift card holders. I think they will be cute for Halloween to give out gift cards if you're not giving out candy. Or if you know somebody has a birthday during the month of October, you could always give them a gift card for their birthday and use one of these to put the gift card in. Don't forget there is a download link below in the description of this video for where you can download this collection of gift card holders. And I look forward to crafting with you again. Happy crafting!